Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Today we are going to learn social studies. What we are going to learn? Social studies. In this subject, last week we have completed lesson 3. What's the name of the lesson? Yes, shall we read it? CLEAN, clean, AND, and HEALTHY, healthy, clean and healthy. What are the things we have to do to keep our body clean and healthy? We learned last week. Shall we recall it now? Yes. First, what we have to do to keep our body clean? What we have to do? We must always take care of our body, no? Yes, we should always take care of our body and we should keep our body clean and healthy always. For keeping our body clean and healthy, what we have to do? We have to do something, no? What are the things we have to do? Last week we learned, no? Yes, brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. What we have to do? We have to brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. We should brush our teeth in the morning and at night. Twice a day we should brush our teeth. At what time we have to brush our teeth? In the morning and at night. Next, what we have to do? Wash our hands before and after eating. What we have to do? We have to wash our hands before and after eating anything. Not only the food items, when you eat the snacks also, you should wash your hand and eat, and you should, after finish eating the snacks also, you should wash your hand. After that, what you have to do? After using the toilet, after using the restroom also, you should wash your hand. Next, what we have to do? We have to bath every day with soap and water. What are the two things we need to take bath? Soap and water. We should take bath every day. We should take bath by using soap and water. And the next thing, cut our nails and keep them clean. What you have to do? You have to cut your nails and you should keep them clean. Next, what you have to do? You have to use a clean towel to wipe ourselves. What you have to do? You have to use a clean towel. After you take bath, you need a towel to wipe your body, no? Yes, for that, what you have to do? You have to use a clean towel. Next, what you have to do? After taking bath, you have to wipe your body. Next, what you have to do? You have to wear. Very good. You have to wear dresses, no? Yes, wear clean clothes. You have to wear a clean washed clothes. Okay, children? Next, look at here. What is this? Toothbrush. And what is it? Comb. What's this? Hanky. And what's it? Towel. These four things we should never share with others. Look at here. Never share our toothbrush, comb, towel and hanky with anyone. We shouldn't share these four things. What are the four things we shouldn't share? We shouldn't share the toothbrush, comb, hanky and towel. Why we shouldn't share this? Because if we share this, it can make us ill. We can get sick. Okay, children? So, never share these four things with others. These are all the things we learned last week. Today we are going to learn one new thing. S-T-A-Y, stay. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Stay healthy. To keep our body. For the outer body, we need these things we are doing. Okay. For our body, inner body also should be healthy, no? For that healthy, what we have to do? We must exercise every day. What we have to do? We must exercise. We should do simple exercises every day we should do. Apart from that, we can also do running, swimming and playing keeps us healthy. Running, swimming and playing also we can do to keep our body healthy. To stay healthy, what we have to do? We must exercise every day, and running, swimming and playing also keeps our body healthy. Now you learned it, no? What are the things we have to do to keep our body clean, and what are the things we have to do to stay healthy. And the next thing we are going to see is rest, R-E-S-T, rest, A-N-D and S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Rest and sleep. Always we have to clean our body and we have to walk. No, we need rest also for our body. At what time we have to give rest? We must rest when we are tired. If you feel tired, what you have to do? You have to take rest. We must sleep for 8 hours every night. Night time, all the person should sleep 8 hours. It's good for our health. Our body gets rest when we sleep. At sleeping time only our body gets rest. So you should have a nice sleep at every night. How many hours you have to sleep? You have to sleep 8 hours. We must rest when we are tired. We should take rest. When you feel tired, what you have to do? You have to take rest. We must sleep for 8 hours every night. Our body gets rest when we sleep. Now you understand it, no? Always working is also not good for our health. We should take rest. How long hours we have to sleep? For 8 hours we should sleep at night. Now you understand this, children? Now look at here. This name, the girl name is Cuckoo. This is Cuckoo. Cuckoo eats fresh and clean food. What she eats? She eats fresh and clean food. She drinks clean water. What she drinks? She drinks clean water. Cuckoo is a healthy girl. Cuckoo is a healthy girl. For outer body, we learn how to keep our body clean, and then for to stay healthy, what we have to do? We have to do exercise, we learn, and then apart from that, what our body need? Our body need rest and sleep. Next, what you have to do? You have to eat a clean and fresh food you have to eat, and you should drink a clean water. If you do like that, you can also feel healthy. You also become a healthy person. Okay, children? Now you understand the lesson. Now we are going to do the book exercise. Read and answer. Read and answer. Part A. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. Here we have a box, no? What are the options are there inside the box? S-L-E-E-P, sleep. T-O-W-E-L, towel. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Look at the first question. Number 1. We use a clean dash to wipe ourselves. What we need to clean our body after taking bath? Yes, very good. Towel you need. Very good. So you have to write the spelling for towel here. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. We use a clean towel to wipe ourselves. And look at the next question. Dash keeps us healthy. Dash keeps us healthy. Sleep or swimming or clean. Swimming keeps us healthy. So you have to write the spelling for swimming here. SWIMMING, swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. And look at the next question. Third one. We dash for 8 hours every night. Every night. What we need? 8 hours. Sleep. Very good. Very good. Sleep. 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 We sleep for 8 hours every night. And then what you have to do? Look at the fourth one. We drink dash water. The last option. Clean. We drink clean water. And fresh food we have to eat, no? Yes. Clean water we should drink. And then we have to eat fresh and clean food. You understand it, no children? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now, look at here. Part B. Write Y for S and write N for no. If the statement is correct, you have to write Y. If the statement is wrong, you have to write N. Look at the first one. We must comb our hair every day. Daily you are combing your hair, no? Yes, that's the correct statement. So, here the answer is Y. And look at the next one, number 2. Exercise makes us sick. Exercise makes us sick? No, it keeps us healthy only. No, this is a wrong statement. So, what you have to do? You have to write here N. And look at the next one. We get tired when we sleep. After sleeping, we feel tired? No, we feel fresh only. No. So, this is also the wrong statement. So, what you have to do? You have to write no. And look at the fourth one. We must eat fresh food. What we have to eat? We have to eat fresh food only. That's a correct one. So, what you have to do? You have to write Y. You understand it, no children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now look at here. D. Think and answer. Number the pictures from 1 to 4. We are going to number the picture. Look at the first picture. The girl is playing with a pet and she wipe her hand and she is eating. Here she is washing her hands. Which one has to come first? This is the first one. The girl is playing with her pet and next what she has to do? Yes, she has to wash her hands. Afterwards, she has to wipe her hand. Then she has to go and eat the food. You have to order like this. Look at the next one. Activity, party, activity. Color the clouds that have the correct answers. Here we have a cloud, which is the correct answer. We are going to color it. Now look at the first one. This keeps your hair clean. To clean our hair, what we use? We use a soap. No, shampoo. Look at the option. SHAMPOO, shampoo, or TOOTHPASTE, paste. Shampoo or toothpaste. Which one we need to clean our hair? We need a shampoo. Very good. We need a shampoo. So you have to color this cloud. Shampoo, you have to color it. You understand it? And look at the next one. Mummy uses this to cut your nails. Which one your mother need to cut your nails? TOOTH, tooth, BRUSH, brush, toothbrush. Otherwise, NAIL, nail, CUTTER, cutter, nail cutter. Which one she needs? Mummy uses this to cut your nails. Yes, the answer is there in the question itself. Nail cutter. Okay. Shall we color it? This is the correct option. You have to color it. Okay, children. Now you understand this. Look at the next one. Part F. Tick your answers. You can tick more than one. If you have two more options, you can tick two options. Okay, children. Now look at here. Number 1. How many times a day do you brush your teeth? How many times a day? Option A, once, only one time. Option B, twice, two times. Option C, every time you eat something. Always you are brushing after eating anything. Which one is correct? I brush twice a day. So I am going to give a tick in this. Which one you are doing, you can tick in it. Okay? And look at the second one. When do you have a bath? When do you have a bath? Option A, after coming back from school. Otherwise, option B, in the morning. Option C, before going to bed at night. 3 times you are taking bath means you can tick in 3 boxes. If you are taking bath only one time means you can give a tick in 1 box. Now I am going to give a tick. When after coming back from school also, and then in the morning also. Both the options I can give a tick. Which option is suitable for you? You can give a tick in it. And look at the next one. How many meals do you have in a day? How many meals do you have in a day? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. How many meals do you have in a day? I have 3 times, morning, afternoon and at night. How many times you are having your food? 1 time or 2 time or 3 times? I am going to tick in 3. Which one is suitable for you? You can give a tick in it. And look at the next one. How many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. I am drinking 8 glasses of water a day. So I am giving a tick in 8. If you are drinking 6 glasses, you can give a tick in 6. If you are drinking 4, you can give a tick in 4. Okay, children? Now you understand it? Shall we pass on to the next one? Part G, value, tick what you do. Look at here. What animal is this? Monkey. See what the monkey is telling. I wake up early in the morning. The monkey wake up early in the morning. Now, question 1, you. Option A, go to bed early and wake up early. Option B, go to bed late and wake up late. Which one you are doing? Which one you are doing? You are going to bed very late. Otherwise, you are going to bed early. I go to bed early and I wake up early. So, I give a tick in it. Which one you are doing? You have to give a tick in that. Okay. Now, look at the next one. Number 2. When you brush your teeth, you. When you brush your teeth, you. Option A. Let the tap water flow. You leave the tap to open. Otherwise, option B. Turn off the tap. You turn off the tap and brush your teeth. After finish brushing, you open the tap and wash it. Which one you are doing? Which one you are doing? That one you have to give a tick. I turn off the tap only. So, I give a tick in this. Okay, children? Now you understand this? I hope you all understand the lesson clearly. What you have to do? Today's homework, you have to read and complete lesson 3, clean and healthy, page number 19 to 23 in your social book. You have to read the lesson and you have to, what are the book exercise we complete now? Those exercises you should complete in your book. You all understand the lesson clearly now, children? We will meet in the next session. Thank you.